Dealing with a broken garage door can be stressful, especially since it seems to always happen right when you're trying to get out of the house. And that's why we offer same-day service. That way we can get you back up and running and get you out of the house so you don't have to worry about that pesky garage door. Here at Precision, our technicians are trained to tackle any issue, big or small, to make sure we get your door working again. From doors going sideways, broken springs, rollers out of the track, or even those pesky safety eyes just being out of alignment, we can handle it. No matter the problem, our goal is simple. It is to get your door back in working order and better than the way we found it. Here at Precision, we pride ourselves on quality, expertise, and customer satisfaction. We only use high quality parts and we service all major garage door brands. And when emergencies happen, we're here for you, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our team is ready to help you from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. with emergency services available after hours.